Welcome everybody. I am Smita Kaushik from Jagannath University, Jaipur, and I am course coordinator of the subject Marketing Management. Marketing Management is a 4-credit subject and also it is the core subject in your curriculum. These are some of the course objectives. That is, marketing management helps to understand the nature and the significance of the marketing function and the marketing management process. It also helps in gaining knowledge about the key aspects of the buying behavior of consumers and develop an understanding of the STP processes. It also explains the factor affecting various products, pricing, channel management, and marketing communication decisions. Now we'll talk about the course outcomes. What are course outcomes? Course outcomes are specific and measurable statements that defines the knowledge, skills, and attitude learners will demonstrate by the completion of a course. Now these are some of the course outcomes of the marketing management. The first outcome is listing the core concepts of marketing and the goals of the marketing function. Second is determining the buying behavior of a given target market segment. Third one is to identify and evaluate target segments. Fourth one is to determine product and pricing policies. And fifth outcome is summarizing the nature and the functions of the distribution channel. Now we will discuss some of the quadrants of your SMS, that is the content on your LMSs. LMS has 4 quadrants which are as under. Quadrant 1 includes e-tutorial. It includes introductory video of the course content and the audios of each unit of the syllabi. Quadrant 2 includes e-content, which includes self-instruction material, e-books, web resources, research papers and journals and other reference materials. Quadrant 3 includes the discussion forums for raising of doubts and clarifying them on a near real-time basis. Different topics on emerging issues will be uploaded from time to time and students will participate in discussions. Quadrant 4 includes multiple choice question, short answer questions and long answer questions. All the above have been uploaded unit wise at the LMS. Now we will discuss about the relevance of this course. Why this course, that is marketing management, is necessary. Marketing management involves the strategic creation and implementation of an organization's marketing efforts. People who work in marketing management act as liaisons between a company and its target customers. Marketing management is important because it enables companies to focus their marketing efforts on achieving priorities, goals such as increasing brand awareness or boosting revenues. Second is to track results of the marketing efforts using softwares and automation and optimizing marketing campaigns to gain new customers and retain loyal ones. Now we'll discuss about what is marketing management. Marketing management uses marketing tools, strategies, processes, and analysis as part of the organization's strategic approach to developing and implementing marketing efforts. The meaning of marketing management can vary based upon the organization and industry and the marketing goals. As the name suggests, marketing management takes on managerial function in marketing, which may entail oversight of the marketing campaigns, outcomes, and planning and decision making before or during and after marketing plans are executed. Now, why marketing management is important for businesses? Marketing management is vital to a business ability to generate revenue, create a brand, and better understand its customer base. Marketing management works to ensure a company's profitability by gaining new customers, expanding customers base, building a company's reputation, and improving customers' interaction. Some essential marketing functions of marketing management includes managing, analyzing, and aligning with the company's goal. Marketing management aims to provide directions for campaigns or other marketing efforts. It is a data driven strategical planning system supervised by professional workers in marketing management. Now we will discuss some of the course contents which we will discuss during your classes. Our course material is classified in 15 units. That is from unit 1 till unit 15. The major portions of your course contents are the meaning, nature, scope of marketing, and then marketing process, marketing mix, marketing environment which includes external and internal environment, marketing strategic planning which includes strategic context, strategic marketing analysis, strategic marketing goals, etc., etc. Then we will discuss about the consumer behavior, decision buying processes, business markets, government markets, institutional markets. Then we will learn about the STP strategy, which includes segmentation, targeting, positioning. We will also learn about the marketing mix decisions. That is the decision making about the product, decision making about the prices, about the distribution channel, and about the promotion mix. We will discuss about the communication mix, which includes advertisings, personal sailings, public relations, sales promotion schemes, etc. Now we will discuss about some of the pedagogical processes which we use while teaching marketing management. These tools are live classes, assignments, quizzes, FAQs, and clarification on general misconceptions. The additional activities which we conduct while classes are master classes, lectures by industry experts and professionals, case studies, etc. These are some of the textbooks which we use for learning basic concepts and all other processes of marketing management. The most famous ones among all the books is the Philip Kotler, Koshy and Jha, which is printed by Prentice Hall of India, and second book is Rajan Saxena, that is published by Tata McGraw Hill Education Private Limited. Some other suggested readings are Joel R. Evans, Barry Berman, and second one is the William M. Pride, O.C. Farrell. So these are some of the textbooks and suggested readings. Best of luck for your rest of the course. Thank you.